Most people are scared of AI taking jobs. And yes, it's true. Millions of jobs will be automated in the next few years. But here's what most people don't realize: the people who learn how to use these tools are the ones getting rich. So in this video, I'll show you 7 powerful AI tools that are not just replacing jobs. They're creating entire new businesses. And you can start using them right now. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. It's replacing copywriters and customer support agents. It can write ad copy, blog posts, product descriptions, and client emails. The business model: launch an AI copywriting agency. You charge $500 to $2,000 per month, while ChatGPT does most of the work. Tool number 2, Pictory and Runway. These tools replace video editors. They turn scripts into polished videos in minutes. Perfect for YouTube, TikTok, or ad creatives. Business model: start an AI video production agency. Companies pay thousands for content. You deliver it in days using automation. Tool number 3, Midjourney and Leonardo AI. These are replacing graphic designers. They create logos, illustrations, and ad creatives. The business model: sell designs on Fiverr or Upwork, or work directly with startups that need branding fast. Tool number 4, 11 Labs. This tool replaces voiceover artists. It generates natural, human-like voices in seconds. Perfect for audiobooks, explainer videos, or TikTok content. Business idea: a voiceover agency without recording a single word. Tool number 5, Durable AI. This replaces web developers. It generates full websites in minutes. The business model: sell websites for $500 to $2,000 each, even if you know nothing about coding. Tool number 6, Jasper and Copy.ai. These tools replace marketing teams. They generate social media content, blogs, and ad campaigns. The business model: offer done-for-you AI content marketing packages to businesses. Tool number 7, AutoGPT and Agent GPT. These are autonomous AI agents. They replace researchers and analysts. They can perform e-commerce research, stock analysis, or even crypto tracking. The business model: sell AI research as a service. Clients pay you for insights they don't have the time to find. So here's the big takeaway. Yes, AI is replacing jobs. But it's also creating millions of new opportunities. 2025 and 2026 will not reward the people who complain. They will reward the people who take action. So the choice is yours: fear AI, or profit from it. Which tool do you think will create the most millionaires? Drop your answer in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video, I'll show you step by step how to launch one of these AI businesses today.